Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet again another video. So for today we have the fourth and final video about the items that I got for Christmas from Whatnot. So I have two packages for today. They are pretty big, so I believe there's a lot of items inside of these packages. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like, and of course do not forget to leave down in the comments what your favorite piece for today's video was. So without any more talking, let's get right into the unboxing. So we're gonna start with this first one here. So I purchased about 4 pairs of jeans from one seller. He was selling a lot of cool brands and for very cheap prices. So I will tell you right now which ones I will keep and which ones I will be selling on my next Whatnot stream. Okay, so first pair of pants, we have a pair of Dickies. So these are size 33, 32. So these would fit me. I'm a size 32, but with a belt, I could fit a 33. So here we go. It's in this like indigo blue color, which I'm not the biggest fan of this blue color, like this jean color better said. I just feel I can't pull it off, you know? So here we have the Dickies logo. Pretty subtle, just like the Carhartt one. Cannot miss it. So again, these are not double knees. These are just like relaxed fit jeans. Next pair of pants, we got a pair of Wranglers. These are size 33-30. Ooh, these would fit me way better because I'm a length 30. Those were 32, so it would fit me a bit too long. Yes, 33-30 Wrangler jeans. They're not double knees. These are like relaxed, like baggy fit. So I got the Wrangler right here, pretty faded. Wrangler logo right here. Got the pockets. There's no like damages here on the back, but the front does have some paint stains right here. But I actually don't mind it. This adds character to these worker jeans. So Wranglers and Carhartts are, you know, just workwear jeans, so it is normal for them to look like this. I actually personally like jeans that look dirty, so these are these do have permanent stains on them, and I do like them. So these here, I'm going to think about it. Okay, I'm gonna put them here for now and we shall see. Ooh, this next pair is a keeper. If it fits me, it is a keeper. So this one right here is on the redhead tag. Never heard of that. These are size 32-32. Damn, these here are fire. Size 32-32. We got that double tone right here on the knee. On camera, I don't know if it will look like. So here on my monitor, I see that it looks like a brown, but it's more like a light brown, almost like gold color in person. And then we got this like beige, you know, pale brown, whatever. And then on the back we got this logo here, which for a second I thought this was a Diesel logo, which how could it be, you know? But that's pretty cool, this logo here. It looks, in my opinion, like the Diesel logo. So here's the back. It does got double color at the very bottom, but these for sure are keepers. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them, try them on, and see if I do keep them. Now the last pair is pair of Rustler pants. These have got to be a 33. Yeah, so these are 33 by 30. Another pair of indigo pants. These are baggier than the Dickies ones, and that's pretty cool. Like, these pants with this shirt and this hat wouldn't look too bad. But again, it's pretty hard for me to pull off some like indigo color pants. But yeah, so here's the front. The back doesn't have anything crazy, just this small Rustler logo right here. Alrighty. So we have the last package. There's a bunch of packages inside, like this. What a waste of bag, bro. I don't know why they would do that. Oof, okay. So this is a size large NASCAR long sleeve. Bro, is this like a youth large? Or are my eyes tripping? No, this is not a youth size large. So a size large NASCAR tee. It's pretty cool how the cars are in color and everything else black and white. No back hit. This one here got to be a keeper. I'm sorry. Again, what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna wash, and right out of the washer I'm going to stretch the width of the shirt and then let it air dry, and that's it. So the next t-shirt we have here, it's a Harley, of course. This one is a size, man, I cannot see. I think it's a size large Harley. Ooh, this one is distressed. So the front doesn't have nothing much going on. So Harley Davidson motorcycles, got the skull. The neck is pretty distressed, as you guys can see here, hopefully. And then on the back, Augusta, Harley Davidson, Augusta, Georgia. I've never heard of that city, but hey, if I got any viewers from Georgia, well, shout out to you guys. The back graphic is kind of cool. This, I'm not sure if I would keep it, to be very honest with you, so I may just end up selling that. Next item, again, such a waste of plastic, man. Ooh, it looks like we got some Disney. Okay, the tag is not there. This might be an XL. So this is a Disney Florida t-shirt. Nothing on the back, just front hit. This one here is a keeper, 100%. This one here is dope. The only thing I'm gonna do is cut the length. So probably about 3 inches. At least 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches. That way it fits me at least like a 26 length. I believe this is a 30 length. So apart from that, this t-shirt is perfect. It's in amazing conditions. And this one here doesn't have a year, but the quality is pretty good, you know. Damn, this is another keeper. You guys are gonna make fun of me because I am literally keeping everything. For the past 4 videos, I've been keeping a bunch of stuff. I've been keeping the best stuff, actually. So this one here is size XL. This looks to be like a keeper. I'm not sure. So we have a Super Bowl. What is it? Redskins. Oh, I have a crew neck, a Redskins crew neck, and I had a starter's puffer jacket, which sold already in one of my first streams. So Washington, Super Bowl, San Diego, Murphy Stadium. Ooh, 1988. Okay, 1988. Okay, Georgetown baseball, long sleeve turtleneck, and it has bulldog right here on the neck. This one's cool. This one's cool. Yep. I just see myself wearing this here and putting a cool outfit for my Instagram. So stay tuned. Make sure you follow my social medias. All the links are gonna be down below for my TikTok, Instagram, and all that good stuff. And I'm pretty excited to put a lot of outfits together for the next couple videos. I promise you I'm gonna be doing outfits of the week. I have more than enough clothes on the floor alone, without counting everything else that I have in my closet, which is packed. I don't even think it's possible to fit all of these t-shirts in my closet right now. So I would have to rearrange a few things, and you know, I'll be struggling behind the cameras. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you if you made it all the way to the end. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Make sure you follow my Whatnot profile. First link in the description. I do lives every Friday, 7 p.m. and here on YouTube every Saturdays, 12 p.m. Central Time. So I will catch you guys in the next upload video. Peace.